Hi guys, welcome back to Make It with Chi. This is Chi. Today we're going to try and customize some notebooks. Actually, we're going to customize some notebooks using t-shirt transfers. I'm using some glitter back notebooks. I like to specify this is not for plastic back notebooks. Sorry about the shaking camera at this point. And the particular t-shirt transfer I'm using is the 3G Jet Opaque. I bought quite a lot of this transfer, and for some reason when I printed it with inkjet printer and we washed it and dried the clothes, the t-shirts I made for my daughter, the thing just looked terrible. So I just abandoned this transfers for quite a while. I actually have that video on my channel, but somebody then said to me you can actually print this with Sublimation printer. So this is actually being printed with a Sublimation printer. I'm still going to try it again on a t-shirt, but right now we're doing it on notebooks. So what I've done here is I've done a print and cut, and these designs I purchased and I customized them. And so we've done a print and cut as you would do on the design Cricut Design Space and Cricut Maker. I've got a Cricut Maker. So why am I using this t-shirt transfer on a notebook? Because it's thin. It feels very fabricy, and it sinks into the substrate. It sits in really nicely. So if you're making this to sell as opposed to using a sticker or something, if you're not going to customize the whole back of the book, that's the hardcover of the book, then this is actually a good alternative. It's the texture is really good and it goes nicely in the book. Anyway, so I'm pressing this design onto the notebook, and I did press it quite high, I have to be honest. I pressed it for I think about 300 or 320 for 30 seconds, and I'm going to suggest that you press it for about 250 and start with 15 seconds. This particular transfer does not need that long to get on the t-shirt, and it actually is really good. When it stays on a t-shirt, it stays proper. It might discolor if you use an inkjet printer, but with a Sublimation printer it'll be fine and it stays well. So I suggest pressing it for a shorter period and with less heat. 15 seconds to start with, and then if you feel like you could press it for a little bit more, then go for 5 seconds each time, but I think 15 seconds is fine. And because what happened with mine was the nose, around the nose area of the pic of the lady in the first book had a bit of I think it was a bit of a discoloration or so, and I think it's because first of all I'm using a glitter book, so the glitter was coming through, and also I think the heat was just a bit too much, so press for less. So I'm doing it to the second book, and it's really, and what happens again, just because it's Sublimation ink, it pops, the color just like it pops. It's so fantastic, it's so cool. So I'm making this to sell. This is another way to just buy notebooks and customize notebooks for your children, for yourself, or for sales. It's so easy. It's a really cool project, and I just thought I'll share this with you. You can actually customize books with t-shirt transfers. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share this video please, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell as well. Until next time, thank you so much and God bless. Bye.